I walk by. So I had a Subway, okay? So I walk by and I see the person working in there so hard. I want you to imagine the person that's a franchisee. This person one day, let's imagine it's a man. He told his wife, honey, I'm tired of corporate America. I hate my boss. I'm gonna tell him to shove it. I have 100,000 in my 401k. You saved some money. Let's take the 150,000, give it to Subway, and become a Subway owner. And his wife says, honey, you don't even make sandwiches for yourself. You're gonna make sandwiches for, oh yeah, just let me, just support me. Okay, honey, I support you. Here's the 50K, take your 100K out, buy the Subway. And he comes over and he's working in the store. The staff are young, they don't show up. The refrigeration unit breaks and it needs fixing. Sandwiches, he's short of salami and people are complaining. The marketing company, Subway, says you need to change the poster, keep buying new posters. Pay us this, pay us that. He's working his heart out. He used to work 12 hours in corporate America, now he's working 16. And he tells his wife, honey, it's not working. I want out. And she says, honey, just go back to your boss. I hope you weren't too hard on him when you quit. And then Subway gets this guy out, maybe somebody else buys him, and another person takes over. And I walk by that building that I own, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, he could have came to my class, bought the property, at lower price, put it under contract, put his own business in it, got an SBA loan at 10% financed fixed rate for 30 years, and set up the business. Couple years later, sold the business, kept the building, moved on to the second one, third one. 5 days later, he's done for life. But he doesn't know. He was not at the right place at the right time, and he's trying. You can keep trying, or you can find the shortcut and leverage it.